Gonna 6-pound bull brisket today. I rubbed it down with mustard. I got salt, pepper, garlic on it. Set it overnight, uncovered. Got it on the pellet grill, full of temperature probes. Trying to get the temperature dialed in to around 200, 225. So it'll go for 6 to 8 hours or so. And then we'll wrap it. Let it sit. So I've got this ThermalWorks temperature probe here. Got one set up to check the temperature of the actual grill itself. And I got 3 probes at different points in the brisket. And I got this unit where this is like Bluetooth or something. So I actually just take this out in the field with me when I'm picking. I can monitor the temperature. So it's pretty handy. It goes quite a distance. I'm actually going to wrap this in tin foil now. It's been on for about, I don't know, 5 hours maybe. Alright, we're at 195, 196 degree internal temperature on the brisket. We're going to pull it and we're going to rest it in a pre-warmed cooler.
Busted!
Busted? This is the brisket.
That's a real busted!
We're slicing some red skin potatoes, nice and thin, but not going all the way through. We're going to wrap them up with some onion and garlic and butter and put them on the grill. Finger off.
Only they cut towards their fingers.
I'm cutting on a greased up piece of bone.
Why don't you use the cutting board like a normal human?
Alright, so we didn't record a taste test of the brisket yesterday, but how would you rate it? Yes.
It was so good. Well, out of what?
I don't know. 10?
Million?
A million.
It tastes really good.
It was okay. It was like a 7 out of 10. If it was a 2-year-old steer, it probably would have been much better. It was a little not as fatty as a normal brisket. So overall, it was good. But today, what we're doing is we're making leftover Reuben pie with the leftover brisket. So it's actually what I'm more excited about than just eating the brisket itself. So Maylee is on crust duty. If you want to see how we make our crust, I'll put a link in the description and link at the end screen. Same recipe we used for the Thanksgiving leftovers video. So if you haven't watched that, you can watch that. Yes, I know, I suck at this. Now, I think I'll add a little bit of the sauce. Salt. Swiss cheese. And put a layer of potato on here. Sauerkraut. Some more of the sauce. Why not? Another layer of cheese. I'm going to roll out the top crust. That worked. There. There, making it look nice and fancy. Then I'm going to do a little egg wash on it. I think that's the key. Vent holes.
Beauty in the mundane. That's the light. Startled our eyes. We let go of disguise.
What the? The same thing.
And now there's something in the air.
Alright, that's what it looks like before. Put in the oven for, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes at 375. Check it after 30.
So I'm thinking I was kind of shaping, not super short, but just
on our tiptoes.
So it took 45 minutes at 375. And it looks pretty darn good.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. At up high, now we climb. Oh.
What do we think?
Delicious. Was that the sauerkraut up here?
Mm-hmm. I have to have my second bite just to... I think you could actually use just a little bit more sauce, but yeah.
Yeah.
Taste the brisket, you get the acidity from the sauerkraut.
Yeah.
You taste that little bit of potato in there.
Get the chunk of potato.
And the cheese.
Yeah. I got a lot of sauerkraut.
Really good. So, would we eat a 5-year-old bull again?
Probably.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Steaks are good too.
Steaks are really good. Yeah. Good. Good stuff. Good recipe. How was it again, Finn?
Good.
Good. Reuben pie. Ivan?
Mom, I want kebab.
Yeah. Good. And we already know Melee likes it. Bruin is going for just the meat and melon.
Looks beautiful. Thank you, dear.
No, I mean
From fork to mouth.
Dad,
Take a
seriously.
nice big bite.
Dad, seriously.
No smacking on the camera. She's saying before it even gets in her mouth.
It's very good.
No.
Really good.
Hey, Mommy.
I think more cheese.
She said.
Or maybe a little extra sauce.
Yeah, more sauce. Is this like yum yum sauce?
After dinner we
Great
get
secret.
donuts.
Someday.
Alright, well, I think everybody enjoys the Reuben brisket pie, so give it a try. Your brisket leftovers.